Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing the estimation of parameter lesson 1, which is the random sampling of the median and the mean. Okay? So alamin natin yung probability of the median and the mean by getting the sampling method or through random sampling. Okay, so first let us have this definition. Okay, the parameter estimation, the point estimate, and the interval estimator. Okay, parameter estimation is the process of making inferences about a population based on the information, okay, value obtained from a describing a characteristics of a population. Okay, that is a parameter estimation. In-estimate natin, most probably, yung values. Okay? Yung pag sinabi nating parameter, it is a true value. Okay? So, how come na ini-estimate natin yung true value? If it is a true value, then it should not be an estimation. Okay? Pero, we have to understand that we are making a study. So, hindi naman lahat ng data ay maaari nating kuhanin from the whole population. Like for example, if yung study ay magko-cover, let's say for example, kailangan mong i-cover yung buong Pilipinas para makuha mo yung true value or yung parameter o yung true value, which is very inconvenient for a researcher. Okay? So, ang gagawin ng researcher, kukuha lang siya ng sample from the population. As much sample na pwede niyang makuha. Kumbaga, hanggat mas maraming sample, mas mainam. Okay? Pero, hindi niya makukuhanan ng data lahat from the population because, again, the reason is yung inconvenient. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabing parameter estimation. Okay? So, i-estimate mo yung true value. Okay? Point estimate, it is the sample mean of the population or the mean. Okay? It is numerical value which is an estimate of a parameter. When we say point estimate, it only have one value. Okay? So, yung point estimate natin is the sample mean or yung sinasabi natin na population mean. Okay? Interval estimator is a formula that tells us how to use sample data to calculate an interval that estimates a population parameter. So, it is a formula. So, para makuha natin yung interval estimate. Okay? So, ang tawag natin dyan ay interval estimator. Let us have this example. Okay? So, this is a random sampling of the sample size 3. Okay? So, ito yung samples na nakuha sa population. Okay? So, kung ikaw yung researcher, okay, these are set of samples na kinuha mo from the whole population. Okay? So, you have a sample size 3. So, each set has 3 samples. Okay? So, we have set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, we have 10 sets of samples. Okay? And each samples has 3. Okay? 3 numbers. Okay? So, yung sample size niya ay 3. Okay? So, what we have to do is to get the sample mean. Okay? To get the mean, what we have to do is to divide, add, and then divide by 3. Okay? So, on the first set, sum up 87, 88, and 90, and then divide it by 3, so you will have 88. Again, next set, sum up 87, 88, 92, so you will have 89. Third set, sum up 87, 88 and 95, and you will have 90. Okay. After summing up, you have to divide it by 3. Okay. So, on the fourth set, again, sum up 87, 90, and 92. And then divide it by 3. So, you will have 90. Okay. And so on. Okay. To get the sample median, okay, so alam naman natin na ang median is placed at the middle. So, all we have to do is to get the median from the set of samples. So, here, on the first set, 87, 88, and 90, the median is 88. So, ilalagay natin yung 88 dito. Okay? On the second set, the samples are 87, 88, and 92. So, again, yung median niya ay, dito ay 88. So, ilalagay natin yung 88 dito. On the third set, 87, 88, 95. Again, 88 ulit yung nahandito sa middle. So, we place 88 here. Okay? On the next set, we have 87, 90, 92. And what is placed in the middle is 90. So, 90 yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay? So, as you can see, kung ano yung mga nahandito sa gitna, yun din yung makikita nyo dito. Okay? So, 90, 90, 92, 90, 90, 92, and 92. Okay? So, that is our sample median. Okay? So, to get the probability of the sample mean, okay, so all we have to do is to count the number of frequency. How many times this mean have appear. Okay? So, bilangin natin kung ilang beses siya lumabas. Okay? So, we have here 88, 89, 90, 88, 89, 90, 91, and 92. Okay? So, how many times 88 have appear dito? Okay? So, kung makikita natin, isang beses lang siya nag-appear. Okay? So, kung bibilangin natin yung set of samples, we have 10, and 88 appeared only once. So, the probability would be 1 over 10. Okay? As indicated here in the explanation, that is 1 over 10. Or, in decimal, that would be 0.10 or 0.10. Kaya yun yung nakita nyo dito, 0.1 or 0.10. So, ito yon. Okay. Next is 89. Let us count how many times 89 have appeared. Okay. So, dito, isang beses lang siya lumabas. So, again, ang probability is 1 over 10. Okay. 1 over 10, isang beses lang, 10 kasi 10 sets ito. 10 sets. Okay. So, 1 over 10 is equal to 0.10 or 0.1. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa probability, that is 0.1. Okay. So, next is to count 90. How many times have it appeared in this sample mean? Okay. So, bilangin natin yung 90. 1, 2, and then we have another one here. So, 3. Okay, so the probability will be 3 over 10. Okay, so this should be 0.3. Okay, next is 91. Let us count how many 91 appeared. So 1, 2, plus another one here. So 3. Again, the probability is 3 over 10. So that would be 0.3 or 0.30. Okay? So, yung 91 dito, dapat ito ay 0.3. Okay? And, lastly, yung 92, let us count how many 92 have appeared. So, this is 1, and this is 2. Okay? So, 92, that is 0.2. Okay? To prepare a histogram, okay, so kung makikita nyo, yung 88, nahandito sa 0.1. Okay? Yung 89, nandito rin sa point 1. Yung 90, it should be in point 3. So, kailangan mas mataas pa. So, banda dito dapat. Yan. And yung 91, it should be in point 3 also. Yan. So, dapat mga hanggang dito sila kataas. And then, yung 92 ay point 2. So, dito siya. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo, curve pa rin yung linya niya. Kung magdodraw tayo ng curve. Okay. So, curve pa rin. Kaya lang, it is slightly skewed on the left. Okay. So, parang dito, naka-concentrate yung pinaka-peak niya. So, dito. Wala siya sa gitna. Okay, so nandito yung pinaka-peak. Slightly skewed on the left. Okay. Okay, so dito naman kuhanin natin yung probability of the median. So, kanina yung binilang natin yung bilang kung ilang beses nag-appear yung numbers na to from the sample mean. Okay, so ngayon ang bibilangin naman natin ay yung sa median. Okay, so sa median, okay, ang mga numbers na nag-appear dito ay 88, 90, and 92. Okay, so how many 88? We have 1, 2, 3, 88. How many 90? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 90s. And let us count 92. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3, 92. So tingnan natin yung probability dito. So, okay. So 88, we have 3, 4.3. 90, we have 0.4. And 92, we have 0.3. Okay, to prepare the histogram, okay, so as you can see, yung 88, so nandito sa 0.3, yung 90 nandun sa 0.4, and yung 92 nandito sa, again, 0.3. So, kung magdodraw tayo ng curve, ayan, ito yung perfect na curve. Okay? Okay, sample number 3. Estimate the consumption of 8 families in 1 month if their expenses are 13,300, 14,800, 18,800, 17,900, 23,500, 24,700, 22,000, and 29,000. Okay, to solve this, all you have to do is to sum up these expenses of the 8 families in 9 months. Okay, sum it up and then divide it by their numbers. So, kung bibilangin natin sila, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, total niya ay 8. So, sum it up and then divide it by 8. So, you will have 20,500 as the point estimate or the point estimator. Okay? So, as you can see, we have only one value for the point estimate. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo din dito, yung sample mean is equal to the population mean. Okay? So, pareho lang. Okay? Again, sample mean is equal to the population mean as our the point estimate. Okay? Interval estimate gives us range of values which is likely to contain the population parameter. It can be determined by 2 values. So, ang point estimate, it only have one value, while the interval estimate, it has range of values that are determined by 2 values. Ibig sabihin, marami siyang value. Pero, maaari mo siyang i-determine sa dalawang value. Like, for example, if you're a researcher and you wanted to find out, let's say, a range ng age kung saan ang isang bata ay mabilis na lumaki. Ano yung edad ng mga bata kung saan sila ay mabilis na lumalaki? Let's say, for example, yun yung study mo. And then you have your data and you have conclude that the range, okay, or you have concluded the estimates, okay, that from 9 years old to, let's say, 15 years old, iyon yung edad kung saan mabilis lumaki yung mga bata. Okay? So, iyon yung sinasabing range of values from 9 to 15. Yung sinasabing two values, that is 9 and 15. Pero that doesn't mean na 9 and 15 lang yung values. Okay? It is composed of range of values because yung sinasabi natin na 9 to 15. Ibig sabihin, kasama yung 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5, 9.6, 9.7, 9.8, 9.9, 10, 10.1, 10.2. Ibig sabihin, hanggang sa ma-reach mo yung 15. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nyo, marami yung values na kasama doon. Maraming, kumbaga, numbers, okay? Values na included doon sa estimate na yon. Kaya ang tawag natin doon ay interval estimate. These are range of values. Hindi lang siya isa, hindi lang siya dalawa. Marami siyang values. Kaya nga ang term ay range of values. Okay? Kaya siya ay interval estimate. While the point estimate ay isang value lang. Katulad nito. Okay? So, yan. So, these are the examples of interval estimation. The average family expense in Region 10 is 250 to 400 a day. Okay, so, hindi naman sinasabing 250 and 400 lang. Okay, kasi we have determined it by these two value. Okay, so po pwedeng 300, po pwedeng 350, pwede rin 275 or 375. Okay? So, these are range of values from 250 to 400 a day. Okay? Average lifespan of stage 4 breast cancer patient is 3 to 5 years. Okay? Hindi naman sinabing 3 and 5 years lang. 'Di ba? So, po pwedeng 3.2, 3.3, pwedeng 4 years, pwedeng 4.5, pwedeng 4.75. Okay? Hanggang 5 years. Okay? So, these are range of values from 3 to 5 years. Okay? The average course of students in general mathematics exam is 75 to 84. Okay? 75 less than the mean and is less than 284. So, ibig sabihin, yung score ng student exam is 75 to 84. Hindi naman sinabing 75 at 84 lang. So, sinasabi dito, maaaring 76, maaaring 77, 78, 79. Okay, pwedeng 80, 81, 82, 83, and or 84. So, ito yung range niya. From 75 to 84. Ibig sabihin, marami siyang value from 75 to 84. Okay, so that's it. Answer what I can do. And I will end up this session. Thank you, everyone.